So the name of our chapter is perimeter and area. In last lesson, we learned about perimeter. What? So see here. This. Can anyone tell me? Yes, student. What is it?
Sir,
Yes, it is a. Yes, it is Ludo board. Yes, so there is a question. How will you the length of boundary of this Ludo board? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, blue.
How will you find the length? Huh? Yes?
Blue.
You have to find the length of boundary of this Ludo board.
Blue.
See here. This is boundary of this Ludo board. Okay. So we have to find the length of this. So now first of all, tell me the all sides of the Ludo board is equal or not?
Blue.
Yes.
Sir, blue.
The all sides of Ludo.
Blue.
Yes. The all sides of this Ludo board are equal if the one side is 20 centimeter. Okay. If this is 25 centimeter, so this one is also 20 centimeter na.
Yes.
It is looks like a square na.
Yes.
Yes, so it is also 25 centimeter. Okay, and this one is also 25 centimeter, and this one also. So okay, now how will you find the length of boundary of this board?
Plus.
Yes,
25 centimeters.
but we have to find the total length of this board. Means we have to add this side plus this side, this side plus this side. We have to add all the sides. So length of boundary of this Ludo board is 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25. So what is the final answer? 25 plus 5 is 50 na? Plus 25 75 and plus 25 that is 100 centimeters. So the length of boundary of this Ludo board is 100 centimeter. Now see here. Here, if the one side of the Ludo board is AB, second one is BC, third one is CD, and last is BA. So see here how we will get the length of boundary of board is by see here by adding all the sides. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay. So 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. So what is the answer? See, this is answer. Read it. It is 100 centimeter na. Friends. So this is the length of boundary of this board. So The total length of this board is known as the perimeter. Okay. Now see here. So this is known as perimeter. Okay. The total length of any object around the boundary is known as perimeter. Now see here. What is perimeter? Okay. The perimeter of a figure is the distance all the way around the figure. Means if this is a figure, okay. Now all around the figure means the boundary lines. We have to add the boundary lines of this figure. So here these are boundaries of this figure. So to find out the perimeter of this figure, we have to add all the sides. Okay. Now or the sum of the length of sides of figure is called perimeter. Means sum means we add all the sides to find out the perimeter. So here the perimeter of this figure is 9 plus 5 plus 9 plus 5, and the final answer is 9 5 is 14, and 14 plus 9 23. 23 plus 5 is 28 centimeter. Means the perimeter of this figure is 28 centimeter. So now see the next one. See here. This is P. P means perimeter of this figure. Now see here. To find out the perimeter of this figure, we bring here this side plus this side plus this side. So P is equal to 5 centimeter plus centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 9 centimeter, and the final perimeter is 28 centimeter. To find out the perimeter, we have to add all sides. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now we'll find the perimeter of this figure. Okay. So what can we do to find out the perimeter of this figure? Tell me.
Add.
Addition. Okay, good. So, okay, this one is first side. Okay. It is 4 centimeters. So, next one is 2 centimeters. This is 1 centimeter and this is 5 centimeters. We have to add all the sides.
Yes.
Okay, now 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus
1
1
centimeter
centimeter
plus
plus.
5 centimeter.
Okay, good. Now do the addition. 4 plus 2 is
2 plus
4 plus
6.
2 is 6.
Yes.
6 plus 1,
7.
7. 7 plus 12. Na?
12.
So perimeter of this figure is
12 centimeter.
12.
Centimeter.
Okay, good. Okay. Now see. Let's find perimeter of this figure. Okay, what we have to do?
Addition.
Addition. Okay, tell me.
23 centimeter plus 35 centimeter
Okay.
plus 40 centimeter
Yes.
plus 35 centimeter
Plus 4
plus
plus 35
30.
centimeter. Okay, now do the addition. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3.
8.
8 plus 5 is
13.
13. So we have it 3 here and carry your 1 here, na?
Yes.
Now 2 plus 3. 2, 3.
5.
5 plus 4.
9.
9 plus 3.
12.
12. 12 plus 1 is
13.
good. So the perimeter of this figure is
133
133
centimeter.
centimeter. Okay, very good. Yeah. Okay. See here, all this equal, na?
Yes. 4 centimeter.
Okay, 4 centimeters. So to find out the perimeter of this figure, what we have to do?
We have to add it.
We have to add it. It is very easy, na?
20
We will
centimeter.
write here.
Yes.
Okay, how many centimeters?
20 centimeter.
20 centimeters. Yes, yes. So we can do multiplication also because here the all sides equal, na?
Yes.
If the all sides are equal, to find the perimeter, we will do multiplication by, we have to multiply one side by total number of sides.
Yes.
Yes.
So plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, and 16 plus 4 is
20.
20 centimeters.
Centimeter.
Very good. Perimeter of this figure is 20
Centimeter.
Centimeter.
centimeters. Good. Now, here, perimeter of a square. Okay. Now, did you know about this square? In
Yes.
square,
Yes.
all the sides are equal or not equal?
Equal.
All
Equal.
the sides are equal.
Yes.
If one side is 2 centimeters, other side here. If this one is 2 centimeters, of this side is what?
2 centimeter.
Only 2 centimeters. Okay, means all the sides are equal. So see here,
2 centimeter.
perimeter of square.
8 centimeter.
Yes, yes. Okay, very good. The perimeter of the
8
square is
centimeter.
8 centimeter. Okay, 8 centimeters. So see here, perimeter is side plus side plus side. Side. This is one side, so we have to add all 4 sides. So we can write it as 4 into side. 4 into side means into length of one side. It is 2 centimeters. Perimeter is equal to 4 into 2. Then 4 into 2 is 8
4 into 2 is.
centimeter. Okay, na?
Yes.
See here. 2 plus 2,
4.
this 2 also. See here. 2 plus 2 plus this 2. So this is 8 centimeter only. Na? So by doing multiplication, we can find perimeter. Okay. So the perimeter of square, we write the formula 4 into side, means we can multiply any side of square by 4 to get perimeter of that square. Now find the perimeter of given square. Okay, so here the length of this square is
7.
the length of what?
7.
7 inches. So na? So this one is also 7 inches na? Or different?
7 inches.
all sides equal, na? So
Yes.
tell me, what is the perimeter of this square?
28 inches.
20 inches. Very good. P is equal to 4s. No? S means we will multiply side by 4s. So 4 into 7.
It's equal to
The
28 inches.
28. Okay.
Inches.
28 inches. So by applying this formula, we get perimeter. Now see how to find the perimeter of rectangle. So first of all, tell me about rectangle. In rectangle, see here, this one is length and this one is so length. So the lengths are
Equal.
equal, na? And
Yes. Hello.
the breadths are also yes. Means the opposite sides are equal, na?
Yes.
So in rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. So if the length is 10 centimeter, then this is also 10 centimeter, na?
Yes.
And width is 5 centimeter. Then here this
Side
so
also 5 centimeter.
5 centimeter.
30
So
centimeter.
to find rectangle, we have to add all four sides, na? See here,
Sir,
L plus
30 centimeter.
30 centimeter. Good. So C plus B plus L plus B. L means length of this rectangle and B means breadth of rectangle. So see here, L here the L is 2 times. So we can multiply L by 2. So 2 into
L,
L plus 2 into B. We can
L plus
write here 2 into L. What is the length of this rectangle? 10 plus 2 into 5.
5
Okay. 2 into 10 is 20
is
plus
equal
into
to
5
30.
means perimeter of this rectangle is 30 centimeter.
Centimeter.
Now perimeter of rectangle formula, perimeter is 2L plus 2.
Sir,
2L means 2
8.
into plus 2 into 4. Okay. So here this rectangle is, see here, this is length and this is breadth. So
Breadth.
L is equal to what?
Sir, length is equal to 8
L
centimeter.
is
8 meter.
8 meter. Okay, good. And
Breadth
B
is
is
equal to 6 meter.
6 meter. And now put the formula P is equal to 2L plus 2B. Okay. So 2 into L is 8 now. Plus
28.
B is 6. Okay. Final answer is
18,
8 8 into is 16 plus 2 into 6 is 12. Now 16 plus 12 is 16 plus 12 is
Sir, 18 meter.
8, 18 or 28. 28. Huh? So the perimeter of this one is breadth. So here L is equal to L is 10 millimeter, na? And breadth is
20
20
millimeter.
millimeter. Now perimeter is 2L plus 2B because the opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So 2L is 7, na? Plus breadth is 20. So now do the multiplication. 2 into 7 is
Sir,
7
37.
ones are 7 and
Sorry, 34. All answer are 34. Yes, sir.
okay, good. Now
No, no.
7 into 2 is 14 plus 2 into 20 is 2 into t is 40 means 14 plus 40 is
40
54 na? So the perimeter of this rectangle is 54 millimeter. Yes na? Or having any doubt? The answer is correct na? Now see here how to find out the perimeter of any triangle. So this is triangle na? How many sides there are in triangle? Yes, student. There are 3 sides in triangles. So this one is side A, side B, and side C. So to find out the perimeter, we have to add all sides. Perimeter of triangle is side A plus side B, side C. Okay. Now, if side A is 3 centimeter, okay, and side B is 4 centimeter, 5 centimeters. So, what is the perimeter of this triangle? Can anyone tell me?
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter. Okay, good. Now let's see. Side A is 3 centimeter. 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12 centimeter. Good. The perimeter of this triangle is 12 centimeter. Okay. Now find out the perimeter of given triangle. Now all sides are equal, na?
Yes.
So let's find out. Okay, let's find out.
Twenty-four centimeter.
20.
4 centimeter.
24 centimeter, na?
Yes.
Okay. 24 centimeter. We will write 18. Side A is 18. So this is A, this is B, and this is C side. So 18 plus 18 plus 18. So 18 plus 18 is 36. 36 plus 18, 54. So the perimeter of this triangle is 54 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find out the perimeter of this triangle. It is very easy. See, if this one is A side, this one is B side, this one is C side. So B is equal to side A plus side B. Side A is 4, side B is 5, plus side C is 3. So the answer is, what is the answer?
12. 12 centimeter.
12 centimeters. Good. Now see here some formulas. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, because in rectangle the opposite sides are equal. Means in rectangle two sides are equal, na?
Yes.
Lengths are equal and breadth are equal. Now perimeter of squares means in where all sides are equal. So length of the one side we have to multiply it by 4 to find out the perimeter of given square. Now perimeter of triangle, it is very easy to find out perimeter of any triangle. So if the sides are given, we have to add all sides to find out the perimeter of that triangle. So see, side A plus side B plus side C. By adding all sides, we get perimeter of that triangle. Now, come to the today's topic. Our today's topic is word problems and on perimeter. Okay. All of
Yes.
you know about word problems?
Yes. I know.
Okay, see here. Okay, good. Now, read the first problem.
The length of rectangular park is 100 meter, while its weight is 80 meter. What is its perimeter?
Okay. Can you understand it?
Yes.
What we have to find out in this problem?
We have to find its perimeter.
Perimeter. Okay. Tell the length of rectangular park is 100 meter, while its width is 18 meter. 80 meter. It is its perimeter. So length of park is 100 meter. So here the length is
100 meter. 100
100
meter.
meter. So first we have to draw the shape of that rectangular park. Okay, this is rectangular park. Okay, now
Yes.
this is length. This one is length. Huh?
Yes.
Length is given 100 meter and breadth is
80 meter.
80 meter. So we have to find out, means here L is 100 meter while B is 80 meter. So what is the perimeter of any triangle?
100 plus
What is the formula for perimeter? P is
What?
equal to
P is equal to length. P2 into length equals to 2 into breadth.
very good. 2 into breadth plus 2 into
Breadth.
breadth. Okay, good. L is given. L is 100 meters. So 2 into 100 plus
2 into 80.
8. Good. 2 into 100 is 200 now only.
Yes.
Plus 2 into 8. 160.
Means
So
360.
360 meter na.
Yes. Meter.
So the perimeter of the park is
360.
300 meters. Good. Now problem. How read it?
Yes, I did. How much wire will be needed to make a rectangle 7 centimeter long and 4 centimeter wide?
Okay. What we have to do in this problem?
We have to find her centimeter.
Total length of wire. Okay, we have to find the total length of wire, na? Total length means we have to find perimeter only, na?
Yes.
See here, how much wire will be needed to make rectangle? To make rectangle means
To make rectangle means uh, m- m- make a
from
rectangle.
wire we have to make. From wire means the boundary lines have wire. Okay, means see here. This is wire. Okay, these red
Yes.
lines means this is wire. So we have to find out the length of this wire means we have to find out the perimeter of this rectangle, na?
Yes.
So see, given here 7 centimeter long means L is what is L? What is length of that rectangle? L is
Wide.
L is 7 centimeter and B is
4
it
centimeter.
is here. Wide means width is 4 centimeter. So means breadth is 4 centimeters. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? Formula
Perimeter equals to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth.
yeah, 2 into breadth. Very good. Now see here L is 7 centimeter. Okay.
Yes.
2 into 7 plus 2 into breadth is 4 centimeter. 2 into 7 is 2 into 7 is
Yeah, what?
14 plus 8. So answer is 14 plus 8 is
9, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
22.
22 centimeter.
Okay, good. Means we require 22 centimeter long wire to make a rectangle 7 centimeter long and 4 centimeter wide. Yes, na?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, the next problem. Read it.
The sides of a
Read.
triangle are 24.7 centimeter, 20.4 centimeter, and 10.5 centimeter, respectively. What is perimeter of the rectangle? Triangle.
Triangle. So we have to find out the perimeter of given triangle. Huh?
Yes.
So this one is triangle. Okay. Now the sides given are if A, this one is B, and this one is C. Okay. Now the length of side A is what is here? This is length of side A. That is
24.7 centimeter.
24.7 centimeter. Okay. Now length of B is
Length B is
20.
20.4 centimeter.
Here. And the length of sides is 10.5
5 centimeter.
Okay now. Okay. So what is the perimeter of this triangle? The formula for perimeter is,
The all
all of you know now.
sides are
Have to add.
ABC.
Okay, side A plus side B plus side C na. So
Yes.
C is
Yes.
side A plus side B plus side C. Okay. Side A is 24.7 plus 20.4 plus 10.5. Okay, now do addition.
55.6 centimeter.
What is the answer?
55.6 centimeter.
51 point.
55.6 centimeter.
Okay, now 5 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus
सर मुझे
9
अनम्यूटेड
plus 7 is okay. 0 plus 0. Oh, 4 plus 1 is okay. There is correct. So the perimeter of given triangle is 51.6 centimeter. Okay, good. Now next problem. Read it. What is the perimeter of rectangle with a length of 6 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter? So here L is, what is the value of L? L is
20 centimeter.
length of rectangle. Length is 6 centimeter na, and breadth is 4
4 centimeter.
centimeter. Okay. So perimeter is 2 into L plus 2 into B. So 2 into L is 6. And breadth is 4. So 2 into 6 is 12 plus 4. So the perimeter is
20
20 centimeter. Okay.
centimeter.
Okay, good.
20 centimeter, sir.
Problem. So
Side
these
of-
problems we'll see one by one. Okay. Read the first one. Okay, read the problem, students.
Each side of square is 9 meter long. Find its perimeter.
Yeah.
36.
Okay, now square is 9 meter long. So side
36
of a
meter,
square
sir.
is
Right,
36.
sir?
Okay. Yes, yes, very good. So here this is given 9 meter long. So tell me the formula for perimeter of square is equal to,
जी आपका ऑरेंज लाइन हटाओ ना प्लीज
tell
दिख
me
रहा
the formula. What is? Tell me the formula for
आपका ऑरेंज
perimeter.
लाइन हटाओ ना दिख रहा नहीं क्वेश्चन
Length of one side na. So here the length given is 9 meters. 4 into 9 is 36
36
meter. Means the perimeter of one square is 36 meters. Now read this one. Read the problem.
Sir, can I read?
Yes, yes.
If we take 4 rounds of field that is 160 meter long and 90 meter wide, what is the distance we walk in kilometers?
Okay. So what we have to find out? What we have to find out the distance we walk in 4 rounds. So first of all, we draw this shape. Okay. That is here given. Length is 100 meter. Okay. And breadth is here 90 meter wide. Okay. Now tell me, what is the perimeter of rectangle? What is the perimeter of rectangle? P is equal to
4
P
centimeter.
is equal to
4 centimeter. 4
huh?
centimeter.
Where is 4 centimeter? P is equal to 2L plus 2. 2 into L plus 2 to P. So here the length given is, what is the length of given rectangle? L is 3. This is length.
190 centimeter.
190. No. We have to do multiplication, not only addition. So 2 into L into B. B is 90. So 2 into 100 is 200 plus 180. 200 plus 180 is 200 plus 180 is
180.
380
180, sir.
meter, na? 380 meter. Okay, but this is the
180.
perimeter of given rectangular park. Okay, so P is 318 meter. But see, the problem is if we take around, okay, means we take 4 rounds.
Sir, we can't
Means
get
we have
problem.
to,
What problem?
okay. If we take 4 rounds around field that is 160 meter long. Oh, here it is 160 meter and we put 100 meters. So long and 90 meter wide. What is the distance we walk in kilometers? So we will do it again. L given is 160 and
160.
B is 90.
9.
So P is 2L plus 2B.
19.
Huh?
Sir,
290. 19.
20 plus 180.
390.
There comes 500 meter. But we takes 4 rounds now. So we will do multiplication to find out distance we walk. Okay, means P into 4. 3 into 4 means 500 multiplied by 4. 500 multiplied by 4 is do the multiplication. What is the answer?
504.
500
4.
multiplied by 4. 0, 0, 5. 4 is 2000 meter, na? But we want distance in kilometer. Now tell me 2000 meter means
2000 meter means
1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, na?
yes. 2
Yes.
Means
2 centimeter.
1000 meter,
2 meter. 2 meter.
2 kilometer or centimeter?
2 kilometer.
2.
Kilometer.
Kilometer.
So we walk 2 kilometers, na?
Yes.
Yes, na?
Yes.
Yes. Good. Now this one for you now. This one is for your homework. And problem set 49, page number 70 is for your homework. Okay. Thank you, students. Here we have a lesson.